Hey folks, this is my Yamaha XT250 2020 dual sport bike. I've had some subs ask me how fast this motorcycle can go with the rally shield that I installed after I bought it. That is in one of my other videos. You can see how I installed it and where to get one if you're interested. But to answer the question, this motorcycle will go up to 85 miles per hour on the highway with that rally shield and me on it, plus some gear. And I'm a pretty big dude, so as far as being in the backwoods or in the country, it's more than enough to get you around, because most of the speed limits are below 75 anyway. So you can hit the speed and you'll get minimal wobble if you're on a good road. I have noticed that these knobbies on here will give you a little bit of wobble when you're on the highway, so just be aware of that. And then also at high speeds, if you're behind a big truck like an 18-wheeler, you might get like in their jet wash or whatever you want to call it, with the wind blowing over the top of the vehicle, and it'll start to roil around behind the vehicle of the 18-wheeler. And if you're behind it inside that turbulence, you can feel some wobble in your motorcycle and in your face if you've got a helmet on with a shield or with a visor. Just letting y'all know. Hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe. Let me know if there's any other questions you have, and I'll try to make little videos to cover your questions. Thanks guys. Bye.